don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad.
I want to talk about our opponent this afternoon. They're bigger, faster, stronger, more experienced.
They say you are inferior.
If we played them 10 times, they might win 9.
Oh, I say it again. You've been had. You've been took. You've been hoodwinked. Bamboozled.
I'm not finished.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it.
When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall, and it has fallen here. It has fallen.
Believe me when I say we have a difficult time ahead of us.
Forget about the crowds, the size of the school, their fancy uniforms.
You'll live. At least a while.
And I guarantee a week won't go by in your life you won't regret walking out, letting them get the best of you.
Well, we were great once. Can we not be great again? Is that too much to ask? Are we asking too much? Is it beyond our reach? Because if it is, then we are nothing but sheep being herded to the final slaughterhouse.
But it is not this day.